I've got 10 tools under $20 in this box that I think every DIYer should have. Let's see what's in the box. These are in no particular order. They're just what I'm gonna grab out of the box first. This drill attachment, this is a 90-degree drill attachment. It allows you to get in those tight spaces with a drill, and it's been a lifesaver for me multiple times. This is my favorite hand palm sander, manual, I guess, not electric, is this little sanding block. I like it because it has this little tightener right here that allows you to just take it apart and be able to put new paper in really easy. I've used other ones, but this is my favorite type. This tool is so underrated. It is a painter's tool. I've seen people use this section right here to clean the roller. I haven't done it myself, but I use this mainly for scraping and chiseling and opening up cans of paint. And I mean, the list goes on, but buy it. It's totally worth it. Level, and this is a particular level that has a magnet on the bottom, so it allows you to magnetize to certain things so it doesn't fall or move around on you. And I love this thing. I used it when I was leveling my dishwasher lately. But so anything that has metal on it, you can magnetize this guy to it. This guy. And if you don't know what this is, then you need one today. If you plan on replacing any outlets, any light fixtures, you need this tool. This is an electrical tester. It's a voltage tester. So it allows you to be able to see if there is live voltage coming through anything. And so this guy's super easy. This tip, you can actually put it right into an outlet. Red is meaning no go and green means you're good. This is a scraper. It's a flat edge razor, and it allows you to be able to get things that are on a wall. So for example, when I am removing baseboards, I'll use my razor blade to cut along the edge, but then I'll use this guy to clean up the silicone afterwards. And I also like to do it to scrape walls. It works really well for that. So, and windows, any paint on windows. If you plan on spray painting at all, you need this little tool. It goes on the top of a spray can, and then you would just use the trigger right here to spray stuff. It has a little lever right here that pushes down as you pull the lever here, and it allows you to not get paint all over your hands. The speed square. If you don't have one of these, you should get them. They're not very expensive. I think this one is like $3, and it allows you to be able to put this flush on something and square it up. But also you can adjust it because there are also angles here on the edge to be able to make sure that you have a square and also a straight line. Next up is this combination square, very similar to the speed square, but you can adjust your measurements really easy on it. So if you can see, right, we have all the measurements on it, so it allows you to move it to adjust that. So that's why I like this guy. I personally do not like using stud finders. I can never find the stud. Yeah, we just don't get along. So here comes this little tool. It is called a magnetic stud finder. And what it does is it has its metal, it has a magnet on the back that will attach to the screws that the drywall is attached with. So as long as your drywall is attached to a stud, this will find the studs for you. I do like to check it with a stud finder after I find it, but it does a fantastic job. Also, it has a level on it in the middle right here. So I'll use this to hang picture frames or other things as well. Gonna quickly note that I have 3 bonus tools that are over $20, but I also think that they are a must-have. So I'm gonna share those as well. Is a small tape measure. Now this tape measure is one that I keep in my car because you never know when you're gonna need a tape measure. I go to the hardware store or some stores and I need to measure stuff. If I'm not carrying a tape measure with me and I forgot one, which I never get one because it's in my car, Then this is a lifesaver for you too, and this is a 12-foot one. You'll pretty good with that. Even a 9-foot one should be fine, but they had 12 when I bought it, so that's what I got. Is your safety glasses. These are the ones that I love. I got a 2-pack. One is clear and this one is like sunglasses. So I love it when I'm outside and doing work, but must have my favorite ones. I hate contractor's pencils. I hate them. I can never get the sharp point that I like. And so what I have switched to is mechanical pencils. These are the ones that you find at most stores. And you don't ever have to sharpen it, which is awesome. It does break a little bit, but I don't find that to be a big deal. So mechanical pencils over the contractor's pencils. And if you don't believe me, try it and you'll see what I'm talking about. But also you can also erase your line if you mess up because there's an eraser on the bottom of the pencil. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you next time.